All right, here it is. This is one of the Vivid Racing steering wheels that we do here. This is fitted for a 2018 GT3, so this is a 991.2. Same style steering wheel you can find in stuff like the Macan 718 and a couple other models here. So you can see we've done this in carbon fiber on the top, carbon fiber on the bottom, Alcantara grips, which are beefier, yellow stitching, and a yellow stripe with, of course, the shift light LED. So how does this thing work? Let's jump in. So we're going to turn this thing on. This thing has a full exhaust system, so it's pretty loud, but let's fire this up. All right, door closed, that way there's not too much noise here. So here we've got the shift light on. So there's two buttons on either side of it. You can see those are lit blue. And this basically connects with a Bluetooth OBDII module. That's how it gets the reading. The standard readings that OBDII has to provide is what is linked to here, Bluetooth. The only thing that this thing needs to be wired with is a power and ground wire, which is done behind the airbag here. So this little unit here has shift lights on both sides, and those are what will go up and down. So it's kind of cool. So here, watch this. Nice little feature. These are universal, so we do these for several different cars. Okay, so now we want to change the settings on here. We've got the two buttons here on the left and the right. So we're going to hold down the right button, and that's going to bring up the menu. Now you can see here we have a couple different things we can change. First, it allows us to actually do a 0 to 60 test. They have it say 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, but that is 0 to 60. Next, we have a 0 to 400 meters, 3 feet in a meter, 1200, take pi, divide by egg, and add a couch, dog plus 3. I think that's an eighth mile, but I'm wrong. Someone put up a bubble. So what we want to do, we want to go down to LED set. So we press this button, and then on the right side, we're going to hold down this, and that takes us into the next screen. So here we can change the shift speed, which is what the RPM is, and that's how the lights go up and down. So we press that down once, and then we can hold down the right button, and that gives us the ability to set that speed. You can see here I have it set for 8700 on the GT3. You can press the left button to go down, right button to go up, and when you want to go to the next digit, hold it down and it will go to 7, it'll go to 0, oops, we went to 8, we can go to 0, other 0, and then that's it. That goes back to the front. So we want to exit this menu, hold down the left button. Now we can also change the colors of the LEDs. So we go ahead and press the left button, and then we press the right button, and that takes us in there. So we can change the LEDs to different colors. We got red, blue, white, yellow, and green. When we want to back out of this menu, again, hold down the left button there. We can go all the way out here. We have settings, so we can left button it, and then we press the right button to enter. Hold down that right button, and here's where we can change the units, kilometers per hour to miles per hour, Celsius, Fahrenheit, language, and it also shows you what version this is, and voltage monitoring. None of that stuff really we need to mess with. So that is the basic way to set up the LED steering wheel. Okay, you can see we have mile per hour and RPM, and when we turn that on, that will start showing the numbers we want. Of course, not in mile per hour because we're not driving, but RPM it will. And that's pretty simple. It's extremely easy to use. Cool little feature that we can add to these Vivid Racing steering wheels, which are available for any car because we make these off of factory cores. All these steering wheels are done from factory steering wheels. We then swap over the trim, buttons if available, airbag, paddle shifters, everything else. So that is a quick tutorial of how the shift light works for the Vivid Racing steering wheel. Check these out. We've got tons of them available, and again, we can do any steering wheel for any vehicle. Head over to vividracing.com. Thanks. See you at the next one.